Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. This side of the cement floor isn't exactly level. It seems like they sunk it a little bit for the commode, so the vinyl clicking in and sealing is not seamless. I can feel the little line here because the floor is just not level over here by this commode. Maybe people won't walk so close to it, I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to cut this next piece of vinyl that it won't have a seam close to this hole. So I measured a piece from the wall over to where you see that line I drew is where I'm going to cut this hump out to meet with the toilet opening. And then I'm going to cut a piece to go on that side that'll snap in. And hopefully we'll have little issues with this click vinyl going into this floor that's not perfectly level. So let me hack away at this little line. It'd be nice if I had a little rotor tool to cut this out in 30 seconds, but it's probably going to take me 5 minutes to cut this loop out of this vinyl. Thought it'd be easier to cut this out in 3 pieces, and that seems to be working out for me. So I just need to cut around there a couple times, make that thin, and then bend it. Should have my perfect piece. Pretty much done with the floor. I got a little bit of a seam there, almost unnoticeable. The trim doesn't go down to the floor, so you can see a little bit of a gap there if you bend down. Can't see it with my glasses off. And real tight around here. So I'm going to take a lunch break and put this trim down, put the toilet in, put the trim around the tub, clean up the tub, hang the mirror, put the switch plate covers on. Hopefully none of that stuff takes me more than an hour. Be done with this bathroom by 2 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock now. Well, 2:30, I'm going to take a half-hour break. And then I'm going to breeze through a few other things that need to be done and hopefully get out of here by 4 o'clock. Use this multi-purpose tool, 10-in-1 thing, whatever this is, pry up my old wax seal. So, take that commode deal, toss it aside. Now if you want, you can put in new bolts. These things do half turn and come out of the base. That's up to you. They also have points where they break off, so they're not too long. So, your new wax seal comes with hardware kit, so you can make it look nice, shiny, and new. It's up to you. But you want to scrape off this old seal stuff and put on the new seal stuff, so your toilet doesn't leak. I think I'll go ahead put those things in there so that nice shiny new hardware. Actually, those look heavier dutier than these new ones. I'm going to use the old ones. Like I said, you can break these off if you want them to be shorter. So you take this plastic protector, put this down here and pull this off. Pull here to remove. Put that thing down there. Pick this crap off. Then you'll be ready to set the toilet down in there, press it on, and have a fresh new seal. I'm going to have to do that with 2 hands. I'm going to center that over the drain. Don't leave that drain uncovered too long, because that drain is allowing what you call it, sewage gases into the house. Toxic, flammable, all that kind of stuff. Good time to clean off your commode and get that pressed on there. I'm going to set this over here while I clean off the commode. I just don't like that air coming through there. These bolts down. If you over tighten them too much, crack the toilet. Not a good thing. Put on your water line. That water line has a rubber gasket in there, so you don't want to over tighten it. You want to snug it down, open up the water pressure, make sure it doesn't leak. If it leaks, snug it just a little bit to stop the leak. Not much. Barely tighten it. Stop the leak. Make sure you don't have no leak. Dry it off with a paper towel, then check it with a paper towel. And run your toilet. Make sure you don't get no leak out of the base of the toilet, which you really shouldn't unless the sewer's backing up. So, it's filling up now. I'm going to dry it off with a paper towel, and I'm going to come back and check it for wetness in about an hour. Don't rough up your toilet too much. You don't want the seal between the tank and the bowl to leak on you. Just wondering, why would your towel guy leave you hanging like this? They could have took this to there and brought this out to here, left you a little seam. No, there was a piece here. So they took that piece that was here and thought they left it the right size. The piece is as wide as this. There's a gap, almost ½ inch, both sides. Then they sent them to get this stuff, piece of marble that will fit the length. However, it was too long and they didn't cut it. Now the carpenter comes, I guess replaced this door, and didn't trim this for this to fit in there. Just a mess. One mess after another. So I had to find somebody to cut that for me. And the inner length from here to there is ½ inch longer than this length. So my piece won't slide in this way, but it slides in that way, leaves a gap. So I'm going to try to fit this in here. Maybe hammering it in will be okay. So I took the short piece, I marked this wood stuff, I'm cutting into it, then I'm going to break it off. Do that on both sides. Then I'm going to take that and tap it in. I probably should glue it down, but I'm just going to tap it down for now. Checking out Marlin's V70 98 all-wheel drive with a T5 engine.
Yep.
He's going to get the CV axle in there through that thing, and he should be good to go. He had it on the road, and the angle gear took a dump on him, so he got another angle gear. Look at that, 601. Bam.
Long day.
If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.